So I am hoping that you have also been capitalizing on what has been happening on GBP USD. It has just been dropping massively. Look at this. It's almost like a 90 degree vertical drop, like chaos. The pound is basically capitulated to the dollar for now. So I've been going in and going out in this move, and I've been making a few dollars. Uh, I don't I don't usually want to hold long trades when the drops are like this, because you don't know when it's just going to spike back up. So I've just been holding short-term trades in this, but I do hope that you have managed to capitalize on GBP USD. We'll continue to see whether it's going to continue oozing down, or whether it's now time for the bulls to come into play. Okay, so in this video, I am going to just talk about something that I don't know if you missed, or if you got wind of it. If you trade with the broker that I trade with, XM Global, one of the best brokers in Africa and in the world. So if you want to sign up with them, by the way, if you want to sign up with them, the link is in the description box below. So what they've done is on their MT5 platform, MT5 platform. For now, I'm not sure if this feature is going to also come to MT4. MT4 is old, but it remains one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. Of course, MetaTrader is moved on to focusing more on MetaTrader 5, and many people agree that MetaTrader 5 is better than MT4. But anyway, there are still thousands or millions of users for MetaTrader 4, so maybe this same feature is still going to come to MetaTrader 4. So what XM has done was actually to strike a partnership with one of the leading news agencies in the world, Reuters. What it means is now you can actually, when you log into your MetaTrader 5 platform on XM Global, if you go to the news tab, you can actually get on the second or on the minute news, industry news. You can see I've been following some of the news that has been happening. So this is both for MetaTrader 5 on the laptop or PC or MacBook, whatever you're using, but for desktop as well as for mobile. If you go onto your mobile, if you are a client of XM Global, if you go onto your mobile and you go to the news tab, you actually find the same thing. So it's industry news right on your fingertips, which is crucial, especially if you are going to be trading what? For example, on MetaTrader 5, we know you can actually trade. Let me go to symbols there. We know on MetaTrader 5 you can actually trade stocks. You can actually trade stocks. This is Europe. This is Germany. You can actually trade stocks on MetaTrader 5, and you also trade cryptos. There's a lot of cryptos that you can actually trade with XM Global at the moment, and you can also trade Forex as well as indices and all that stuff, that good stuff. And many of those things that you're going to be trading require you to what? To have an idea of what's happening in the news. Previously, you probably wanted to subscribe to CNBC, you wanted to look for other sources of news online, because it's hectic to find good news that can influence the market, or that you can use as a basis for a trade. So XM have now taken that thing off your hands. Now you have industry news, the news that you need to make your decisions, available on your fingertips, like right in front of you. You just need to log into your MetaTrader 5 XM Global account, and you go to news, and you get all the news that's just coming in from Reuters that is likely to influence stocks, forex, crypto, indices, all the things that you can trade with XM Global. Just not as a note, as a side note. What I noticed was, I think maybe they are still fixing this, or maybe there's a glitch with the latest update for MetaTrader 5. When you double click to read the news, you just get the headline and there's no article. This is happening on PC desktop, unless it's just my laptop or my PC. I don't know. Just leave your comment in the comment section below. But if you go on MetaTrader 5, the mobile app, and you go to the news, you can actually read the news, no problem. It's just not a headline. There's actually news that you can actually read. That's on mobile. But on PC desktop, I don't know if the latest build of MetaTrader 5, the latest update, that's forcing the news to not pop up, only the headlines. But well, you can actually make a decision from the headline that's coming up. Sometimes you don't need the actual stories. Sometimes you just need to watch. Oh, okay. So Southwest Airlines is predicting a solid annual profit as travel rebounds. Then, if you are trading stocks, then obviously you just want to watch the Southwest Airlines stock, uh, and it's as simple as that. Of course, I'm a big technical trader, but I do also read some fundamental news to give me a picture, to help me construct a picture that I can use to trade. And XM, thanks to them, they've brought all this news right in front of me, right at your fingertips if you are using your mobile app. So this is a cool feature that I believe some people might have missed out on, or people are missing out on. By the way, this is only available on XM Global, one of the best brokers in Africa and in the world. To sign up, the link is in the description box below. Go and sign up for the MT5 account. Sign up for MT5 account, because for now it's actually available on MT5. So you can see there, German inflation rises slightly more than expected in April. Obviously, this is going to have a bearing on the euro, because Germany is the biggest economy in Europe. So it's going to have a bearing on the euro. So this is actually a cool feature that that you probably missed, or that you were not aware of if you are already signed up on MT5 here on XM Global. If you are not yet signed up on XM Global, just go ahead in the in the description box below. There's a link there. You can easily sign up, and you can also enjoy trading like this. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, if you did not learn one or two things in this video, but at least I've given you some good entertainment, so the least you can do for me is to just like the video. You don't lose anything by liking the video. Everything that we do on this channel, by the way, is for free. Everything that we do on this channel is what? For free. So if you're looking for free forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Again, sign up with XM Global. You can see the news is coming in. News is coming in. What are they saying about dollar? You can see the dollar index matches to 20-year high as rivals crumble. You can see what's happening in the markets. So yeah, like this video, subscribe. Until next time,